Hey everybody, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage Motor Style Shop, and we got Jeffries here today. If
That's
you don't
me.
know who it is, we're gonna show you in a second. So he's the guy that's working with Red Cat on all the lowriders. And stay tuned, we're gonna show you real quick what he does with one of his cars and then give you a little bit more information about what you can get from this guy. See you right now. Okay, so there is one of Jeffries' Lowrider 64 Impala. And this Impala is a little bit different than the Impalas that you guys usually know. Let me show you guys something really cool. Look what's going on inside there. You guys see the small TV showing you guys the same car inside of the car in a TV. And then you want to show them real quick your trunk, how
Yeah,
your
sure.
trunk open up.
Yeah, sure. I cut it, and there's the Gen S battery in there. I got the MOP audio system, and of course the TV running on the inside as well. I got a 3S battery, a LiPo battery. I'm using a Castle back BSC with 8.4 volts, so it gets all the juice going for the servers that is needed. I use my own gate pumps in the rear and a super pump on the front. So, and they are really responsive and quick and good quality as well. So yeah.
Okay, let's see it. Let's see it jump a little bit.
Yeah, sure. So this is how quick the...
Is it like an earthquake? Do it again.
Is that my knockoff?
You dropped something. You broke it. That's it. It's gone.
What's this part?
So we have a mishap going on here.
Is it my part?
Is it the pin? I think it's one of the wheels. It's the pin for the wheels.
Yeah, because I don't use the lock nuts on it. That's why. Oh, sloppy.
Jeffrey came all the way to
Sloppy
my
J.
shop to break the car. Okay, it's not a big deal. The pin just popped out.
Yeah.
The pins have to be closed with, usually it's like it's a set screw
Yeah.
that close it. So let's fix it up real quick.
Let's do this.
And let's do it again. So don't go anywhere.
But this is how real lowriders work as
Oh,
well.
of course, you break it, you fix it, and you go have fun with it again and again and again. And by the way, while it's upside down, you can see like the nice paint job, and you can see the details on the body over here, all the chrome parts. It's actually, this vehicle is done really, really, really nice. And let me help him for a second.
Thank you.
And we're gonna go from there.
Yes.
We're
thank you.
pausing for a quick second.